Hi guys, today I will show you how to create a shadow on an object. So let's create a drawing. Uh, okay, let's think this is an egg. Right, I'm gonna copy this shadow. I'm gonna put it one side. And I'm gonna shade this to this egg shape, and let's create like an egg. And once you have created this, the shadow can be a bit more wider, and just put it right at the bottom. Can you see how this dot is meeting the actual edge? And then right hand click on your egg and then arrange and bring it to front. And then you can bring the shadow down a bit. There we go. Can you see this? You can see yourself, the egg is standing up without any support. So it's a realistic shadow. You can have shadow in different size. It's ideal to have shadow up to these edges. So let's bring it to the same width and width as the egg, because can you see now shadows kind of shrinked up a bit. So I'm gonna bring the shape back to its location. So this is reasonable shadow now of an egg. I'm gonna take it up slightly and then bring it down a bit. There you go. Thank you for watching, guys. Goodbye.